Got a suit jacket that you want to fit you better, but you don't want to pay a tailor? Yeah, let's make it happen. It's beginner friendly and I don't like long intros. Let's do this. Lay your jacket down, smooth it out, and let's talk about our plan of attack. It's these two side seams right here. We're gonna alter these, and in the event that you want to alter the center seam as well, you can do that, but there's no need to do that on this jacket because it fits the middle of my back just fine. Some jackets have multiple additional seams like these two seams on the side and the front of the jacket, but altering these two is unnecessary on this jacket. But if you want to, go ahead. Let's flip our jacket inside out, and as you can see, well, there's no lining on this, but in the event that there was some lining, just cut a hole in the bottom of that lining, flip your jacket inside out, and then handle all of your business. Easy peasy. We're gonna grab this side seam first right here and flip it on its side, and what we're essentially going to do is put a double-sided tapered straight stitch on this seam, meaning it's gonna gradually go in and then gradually go back out like this. That's kind of a mouthful, I know. That's what she said.
I'm SD, and if you're new, I show guys like you how to tailor their own clothes at home, so if that sounds interesting to you, be sure to click that subscribe button down below.
Dress shirt darts, for example, are a single-sided tapered straight stitch, meaning only one side gradually moves back out towards that edge. The other side, it's straight, there's no tapering at all. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put two sewing pins 4 inches from the very edge of our seams. The space between those two pins is 9 inches, and I want the widest part of my dart to be right in the middle, so I'm gonna put a sewing pin right there at 5.5 inches. In order to get a nice gradual taper, I'm gonna put my bottom pin at 1/4 of an inch, and the middle pin is gonna be 1 inch, and then the very top pin is 1/4 of an inch again. To make it more gradual, I'm putting more pins in between there at about 1/2 of an inch. Oh, and repeat all those steps for the other side of your side seam too. These are what our pinned up side seams look like. Do yours look like mine? Yeah? Alright, good. That vertical green pin at the bottom is where I'm gonna start my stitch. That's where my original stitch, it starts to flatten out, and then just follow along that gradual taper right there. If you've never used a sewing machine before, don't panic, it's all good. We're just making a straight stitch, that's it. As far as the settings go, we're making a straight stitch. It's set at 2.5 or 2.5 millimeters in length, and the stitch width, well, it's NA because it only applies to another stitch, which we aren't even making in this tutorial. Line up your machine under that first vertical pin where you decided to start your stitch and go slow. This right here is the inside of our jacket with a nice gradual flattering taper, and I used contrasting threads so that you can see what I'm doing. You're welcome, I got your back. And take a look between my fingers right there. There's a minor hiccup, but nothing bad at all, not a big deal at all. Yeah, how about that Galaxy S10 camera quality, huh? No need to cut anything. This is the outside. Little does anybody know that you spent like 20 minutes doing this yourself. Now let's go learn how to tailor a dress shirt to go perfectly with this jacket. It's in the end card. I'll see you on the other side. SD out, deuces.